Greetings, mere mortals. Welcome to another episode of James DIY Garage. Behold! Behold! My chariot! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all had a happy Halloween in spite of the current conditions. Our channel now has 969 subscribers / Maserati brothers and sisters. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Thank you so much. If it wasn't for you guys and your comments and likes, this just wouldn't be worth it. Because I know my videos are helping people, it makes it worth it to me. This is why I do it. So, if you like what you see, and my videos have been helpful to you, or you think they might be helpful to you, or you know they'll be helpful to you in maintaining your Maserati Ghibli, please consider subscribing and helping me get over that 1,000 subscriber threshold. I read all the comments. Please like and share and comment. I read all the comments. I've owned this Italian beauty for 3 years now. It's been I just would like to go over how it's been treating me over the last 3 years and how much I've paid to own this car over the last 3 years. That includes everything: license, registration, the works. So I'll also go into how I record all my maintenance in a binder, as well as show you where all the DIYers should record their maintenance that may help you maintain the value of your car. It could help you. Let's begin with the costs. Most of you are a lot more interested in this part of the video rather than my rambling about how much I love this car. This car was bought by me October 27, 2017 for $41,336.15. That includes tax and registration. It had 53,015 miles on it. It now has 80,550 miles on it. So I'd like to start off with the maintenance costs. I think that's what most of you want to hear anyhow. Well, what I've done, you've seen all my videos, my YouTube videos, so you know pretty much what I've done. If you haven't seen my videos, I encourage you to check them out. Total maintenance, that's just maintenance tasks, your regular maintenance, is for the last 3 years is $2,722.83. That's it. A lot of you have paid that much money for one visit to the dealership. Next, I'd like to go over, oh, by the way, speaking of maintenance, as I said, when I bought this car, it had 53,015 miles on it, and it's got 80,550 miles on it now. That's over 30,000 miles. In that time, I have not yet replaced the brake pads or the rotors. That's correct. I have not replaced the brake pads or rotors. It's getting really close. I'm going to have to do that soon, and I will do a video on that. But I think the reason for that is because of my driving behavior, my driving habits. When I'm in traffic, I'm very defensive, and I maintain an extreme distance between me and the car in front of me, especially since I've had my bumper freshly repainted. I don't want to get any new rock chips on it. In general, my nature is I drive defensively. To the chagrin of my wife, I maintain a really good distance between me and the car in front of me. Annoys the heck out of her. Only if there's very little traffic or no traffic at all, that's when I'll have a little bit of paddle time. I'll put it in sport manual mode, and I'll drive a lot more aggressively. It's a lot, a lot of red light pulls, taking off on the red light. So yeah, I have a lot of fun. But when I'm on the freeway and there's a lot of traffic, I maintain my distance. I don't drive close to the car in front of me. So based on my braking habits, I don't do frequent hard stops, hard braking at all. I rarely have to brake hard. If I come up on a red light and I wasn't paying attention and it's getting ready to turn red, then I'll have to step on the brake really hard. But other than that, that's rare. And that's a rare occasion. Let's go on to issues and repairs. And this is what's going to get you guys. Total for repairs, everything that's gone wrong with this car, all the issues that it's had, $309.61, because it's only had 2 issues. When I first bought the car, the driver's side vent would only blow cold air, and I see a lot of other Maserati Facebook members complaining about that very same thing, whether it be, you know, which side or whatever. The fix for that, for me, was, and listen closely, and I suggest this video to people who have had this issue. The fix was to have the dealership install an update. The update cost me $162 flat. That's all they did, was install an update. It didn't fix it right away. It took a day. I think because the computer had to learn which position the blend door actuator was in before it started working. It's working. It started working a day after they installed the update, and has been working flawless ever since. Haven't had a problem with it since. The second issue that I had, and again I have a video on that, is my car would start. The battery was dead. Well, that's not a problem with the car. That was the battery. It was 5 years old. It was about time for it to give up the ghost. I spent $309.61 for that. I bought the battery at Batteries Plus. I'm sorry, $147.61, my bad. $147.61 for the battery, and I replaced it myself. And again, like I said, I have a video on that, and there's a link to the video right up here. Next is modifications, and I'm going to go over each one of these one at a time. Leather floor mats. I paid $94.99 for this, and as you can see, the driver's side is getting a little bit worn, but these floor mats were nice, but they were cheap. I bought them on eBay. Next, the carbon fiber mirror covers. I don't have them on right now because they went bad. They started separating on the lower corner out here, and it just didn't look right. So I took them off and buffed the adhesive off, and I'm not going to buy another pair of those. They just and I'm not seriously considering a carbon fiber wrap, but I just think I think it's fake, but I don't know. I might succumb to the temptation. It's tempting. Carbon fiber window button covers. I bought these so that they wouldn't look like the same button covers that's in the Dodge Dart. This was a good idea, I think. It distinguishes those window button covers from Chrysler window button covers. Carbon fiber steering wheel cover. I paid $69 for this. And by the way, I'm working from a spreadsheet here. I got checked. I looked at all my records, got my records together, and I listed everything, calculated it up using the spreadsheet. And there is a I will post a copy of that spreadsheet on my Google Drive, and there will be a link to that in the description below. So, carbon fiber steering wheel cover, paid $69 for it. It looks pretty cool. It gets rid of that flat, the matte black cover that's on there. Makes it look a lot better. Carbon fiber rear spoiler. Now, what I paid for this is going to get you guys, because I know some of you paid a lot for yours. I paid $178.11 for my carbon fiber rear spoiler. I bought it on Amazon. I know. I've seen them online for $400 plus, $200 plus, $300 plus, or different sellers, I mean. So, but I only paid $178.11 for my spoiler. Bought it on Amazon. Carbon fiber B-pillar covers. I paid $180 for those. I think those look really cool. They give the car a more sporty look. Carbon fiber headrest button covers. They were only 25 bucks. Why not? Again, I bought them from Amazon. Why not? They're installed. Okay, couple of mods that I did. I had the front bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser all fully repainted the same color as the car to match the color of the car. The front bumper I had painted because there were a lot of rock chips in the front bumper, all along the front bumper. It was really bad. I paid $900 to that. Eric did that for me, and he did an excellent job. He did the side skirts. I like the side skirts because they make the car look like it's lower to the ground, and the rear diffuser makes the car look a lot more expensive, a lot more, and it distinguishes it from other Ghiblis. So, next mod, powder coated wheels. So I had all four wheels powder coated. They were powder coated shadow chrome black, and I really like the looks of this. I paid $640 to have them powder coated, and there's not a scratch on them. They took care of all the curb rash on it, and it did just look brand new, fantastic. So total mods, $2,279.38. License and registration and insurance per year. Insurance, I average $1,800 per year. Registration is $420, California. That's a total per year of $2,220 times 3 years is $6,660 for license or for registration insurance altogether. So let's go with the totals. Okay, if we total up the maintenance related cost, the issues and repair cost, the modification costs, and we add the license and insurance cost, we come to I added the loan payments for 3 years. I paid $20,844 loan payments over the last 3 years. So total cost is $32,815.82 to own this 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4 for 3 years. Per year, $10,938.61 to own this Maserati Ghibli SQ4 per year for the last 3 years. So I think it's really been worth it. Really been worth it. Now onto the documentation, how I document my my maintenance. I use a binder. I have a binder. Here you see a picture of my binder. And the binder is contains all of my maintenance records. I record everything on an invoice. It looks just like a regular invoice, and put it in there, and I have all my records related to my Maserati Ghibli in there. Today, among car buyers, the killer app is Carfax. Yes, you can record your own maintenance in Carfax. And here's a quick video on how to do that. Go to Carfax.com. You'll need to sign in. An account was required to record maintenance for your vehicle. If you do not have an account, you can sign up. It is free. I will sign in since I have an account already. Once you've signed in, hover your mouse over Car Maintenance, My Car Maintenance, and then click on Track Your Car's Maintenance. Here, you should only see Add a Car. Click Add Car, and you can enter the VIN, enter the plate, and enter the state that your car is in. And then click Search for Car. And what this will do is this will find your vehicle in Carfax Report and add any current maintenance that's already been performed on it. Then once you've done that, you'll see your car listed here. As you can see, I've already added mine. Click on your car and you'll have a dashboard, service history, maintenance, repair costs, service shops. I don't mess with these at all. I just use service history. So let's click service history. And this is all the maintenance that I have performed on my car. These are the records. Individual records here, service performed. It tells you if it was a DIY or what shop it was performed at, date, mileage, service performed. You see if the dates match what's in your personal maintenance record binder, like the one I have, then they support each other. To add a service record, you'll click Add Record over here in the upper left. If you had it done at a shop, you can add the shop here. If it was a DIY, put a check here for DIY. The date of the service that you performed, odometer reading at the time you performed the service. You can add the service that you did here, or you can check the boxes here if what's here is what you did. Once you've done all that, click add record, and then you're done. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, we're at 969 subscribers / Maserati brothers and sisters. Please, if you liked my videos, if you like the content, if you think these videos will help you, or they have helped you in the past and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to get me over that 1,000 limit, or the 1,000 threshold, I mean. And I really appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. I read all the comments. I like the comments. My email address is posted in the description below, as well as the James DIY Facebook page. So please send a friend request on my James DIY Facebook page. I prefer we do that there rather than my personal Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. And now I just need to get packed up so that I can go get me some paddle time. Bye.